Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can turn off autoplay in YouTube app. So right here, I open my YouTube app. So now what I'm going to do is just to tap on this profile icon at the bottom. After that, it will then direct you here. As you can see, this is your YouTube channel. What we can do now is just to tap on this settings icon. It will then direct you to this settings page. We can now just select this autoplay option right here. And then it will direct you to this autoplay option to enable or disable this autoplay option. You can just turn on or turn off this option anytime you want. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!